So new for 2025 is the Honda CB1000 Hornet, but to be honest, the one I've come to see today is the SP version. Let's check this bike out. Honda are massively undercutting the super naked competition for 2025 with the new 149.7 brake horsepower CB1000 Hornet starting from just £8,999. That's £3,000 less than the Suzuki GSX S1000 and over £5,300 less than the standard Yamaha MT10. And the SP version we're talking about today is £9,999. It's fully loaded with the same 4-cylinder CBR RR Fireblade engine from the 2017 model, but with more peak power and more peak torque. The Hornet SP is available in just one colour, and that's matte ballistic black. Also comes with gold wheels and gold front forks. It has fully adjustable 41mm shower upside down front forks, and on the rear it has an Öhlins TTX36 rear shock operated through ProLink. The ride-by-throttle operates 3 power modes, rain, road and sport, plus 2 customised options incorporating things like anti-wheelie. The 6-speed box features an assisted slipper clutch with a quick shifter. The twin LED projector headlights defined that pure aggression of a Street Fighter style. It has a 5-inch colour TFT instrument display that connects the rider to their smartphone via the RoadSync app, and it also has easy to operate on-screen navigation. The 2017 CBR Fireblade engine has extra power compared to the standard CB1000 Hornet. The CB1000 SP engine is pumping out a nice 107 Nm of torque compared to the standard version, which is 105 Nm. The seat height on these bikes, both the standard and the SP version, is 809mm. They both carry a 17-litre tank, and they both weigh in at 211 kilos. When you sit on this bike, you definitely feel like it's a muscle bike. You sit really into the tank is quite wide. And when you want to put your feet down, the seat is quite wide as well. But for me at 5'9", I've got my feet flat on the ground. The 4-piston radial mounted Brembo Stylema calipers are the best in the business and work well with those 310mm floating discs. The cast wheels are inspired from the CBR 1000 RR, and the tyre sizes are 120x70x17 on the front, and on the rear a 180x55x17. The Hornet SP has huge performance and huge potential, and it makes it really hard to ignore, especially for those riders with a mid-capacity naked bike looking for something with that little bit of extra special. That said, the Japanese firm states gears 2 and 5 have been optimised for acceleration and drive, while 6 calming things down, more civilised to use on things like the motorway. The new frame is said to provide 70% increase in rigidity over the current CBR 1000R. And I think at £9,999 for the SP version, this is the one I would go for. Not only has it got that quick shifter as standard, but you've also got that stopping power on the front with those Brembo Stylema calipers. And let's not forget that Öhlins rear shock. I think for the extra £1,000, this SP version is ticking all the boxes for me. So hope you like the video, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Give us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.